If you've been thinking about starting an online business, this is the perfect time. Shopify is offering a 3-day Shopify free trial plus 3 months for just $1 per month. To get this verified offer, use the official Shopify link in the description or scan the QR code. It takes you straight to Shopify's deal page. Shopify makes building an online store incredibly simple, no coding needed. Pick a theme, customize it, add your products, and your store is ready. Everything is built in: website builder, hosting, secure checkout, marketing tools, and analytics. Shopify also supports all major payment gateways like credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay. And for shipping, you can easily integrate services like DHL, FedEx, UPS, USPS, Shiprocket, and many more. To start your trial, click the link in the description, enter your email, and select Start Free Trial. Answer a few quick questions, even if you don't have products yet. No credit card is required for the first 3 days, and then it's only $1 per month for 3 months. So go ahead and try Shopify today. Click the link below and activate your Shopify free trial. It only takes a minute to start.